Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we are discussing NCERT exercise 11.2. In our last class, we have discussed about area of triangle. Today, related to area of triangle, we will be discussing area of parallelogram as well. But before we move to area of parallelogram, first I will just revise you the concept of area of triangle once again. If you must be remembering, we have discussed the formula related to area of triangle, which was 1 by 2 base into height. Now, base, which can be any from all the three sides depending on the question. Height is also that corresponding height. Corresponding height means जिस बेस को आप ले रहे हो उसी की हाइट आपको लेनी है, ठीक है. यू कैन नॉट टेक एनी हाइट, यू हैव टू ऑलवेज टेक द हाइट विच इज करस्पॉन्डिंग टू दैट बेस जो आप ले रहे हो क्वेश्चन में, ठीक है. So now suppose your question is that you have base as 24 centimeter, height as 10 centimeter and you have to take out the area. So what will you do? You will simply put the value 1 by 2 की जगह पर 1 by 2. In place of base you will be putting 24. In place of height you will be putting as 10. Now you can see that 2 is in form of division. So 2 can cancel 24 as well, 2 can cancel 10 as well. अगर cancel होता है तो, because always you will not get the number which will cut only. ठीक है. Right now I have written the number which can cut, but not always. Fine. तो इन दोनों में से जो भी cancel हो, you can cancel it. Fine. So this is 2. I can cancel directly with this. So 2 5s are 10. Cancel हो गया. Now नीचे 1 बचा, जिसको आप लिखो या ना लिखो, it's fine. ठीक है. Now this is 24 with 5. When you will multiply, which will give you 120. ठीक है. Whole question was in centimeter and centimeter. So the answer which you will write it down, that will become SQ centimeter, not centimeter, SQ centimeter, because you are taking out area first. Okay. So I have told in the question that the area was 240 centimeter square. Now let it be only matching part. Do your matching part only. It's 240 square centimeter. 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. Base we were not knowing. Base we were knowing that was 48. Height we were not knowing, right? So I have just placed all the values which I was knowing. Okay? Which is unknown that you think that it is variable. Now use your linear equation concept which we have already studied. Now here first, before we solve it, you are knowing that will give you 2 ones are 2. 24 it will cancel. Now we will have 24 into h and this is 240 here only. Now h will remain here only and 2 and 24 will be in the division of 240. So 240 divided by 24 which will give us 10. So the answer of h would be 10 centimeter because the whole question was in centimeter. Okay? So our answer would be 10. See, now area of triangle we are done with it. Fine. We have done one question in the form of revision also, how to take out area of triangle. And we have also done, if one thing is missing, instead of base या height कुछ भी missing हो, pattern will remain same जो हमने अभी इसके before वाला किया, ठीक है? Now move on to the next pattern of the question, that is area of parallelogram. Now let's understand whether you talk about area of parallelogram or you talk about area of any kind of quadrilateral, ठीक है? कोई भी quadrilateral हो, whatever the quadrilateral is. If you talk about quadrilateral, abhi just now I'm talking about parallelogram only because in your course it is parallelogram. So suppose you are talking about parallelogram right now. In this parallelogram you have this time 4 sides, ठीक है? So if you talk about base of this parallelogram, just like triangle, you can have any base of it, ठीक है? Because it has 4 sides. आप इसको कहीं से भी rotate करो, जो base आप चाहते हो, that will become the base. For example, if it has side A, B, C and D, so if you are just now, if you are watching the parallelogram like this, what is the base? B. If you write it down, if you rotate it like this, so base will become C. If you watch it like this, then D will become the base, and if you watch it like this, the base will become A. ठीक है? So depend on you how you see your parallelogram that time. ठीक है? So base can be any side or from any four sides. ठीक है? Now what about height? Height is also the same like triangle. What I said. Remember, corresponding height will be the height which you will be taking in the formula. How? इस बेस पे ऑपोजिट वर्टेक्स से लाइन सेगमेंट जब राइट एंगल बनाता है तो उस लाइन सेगमेंट को हम परपेंडिकुलर बोलते हैं या हाइट बोलते हैं, जैसे ट्राइंगल में था. ठीक है? तो इस साइड के लिए ये कौन सा हो गया? ये हाइट हो गई आपकी h, या आप इसको h1 बोल सकते हो. ठीक है? अगर C वाली साइड की बात कर रहे हो तो अगर इधर से डाला गया है तो यहाँ पर ये बन जाएगी हाइट. सो ऐसे ही करके वट एवर बेस यू आर टेकिंग, क्वेश्चन में आपको दिया रहेगा ये इसकी करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट है. आपको बहुत मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. ठीक है? इट विल बी गिवन टू यू दैट दिस इज द बेस एंड द हाइट करस्पॉन्डिंग टू दिस इज दिस. ठीक है? नो नीड टू हैव सो मच ऑफ लेबर की डायग्राम कैसे बनाए एंड ऑल कैसे बनाए. ठीक है? सो दिस इज वन पार्ट. नाउ व्हाई द फॉर्मूला फॉर एरिया, so remember area of parallelogram is base into height. Now let us understand why it is base into height, and remember the area between the area of triangle formula is 1/2 base into height, and area of parallelogram is only base into height, and this formula student gets too much of confusion. Why? Because दोनों के बीच में केवल 1/2 का डिफरेंस है. ठीक है? So triangle they put they put b by h, b into h, and for parallelogram they put sometimes 1/2 b into h. So don't get confused into it. Always remember the right formula. How you will learn the right formula? Look at here. See, if you talk about a triangle, what was the formula for area of triangle? 1/2 into b into h. ठीक है? अब इसी ट्राइंगल को मैं अगर डबल ट्राइंगल कर दूं, ठीक है, ये एक ट्राइंगल है, एक ट्राइंगल मैंने यहाँ पर इसी साइज का एक और बना दिया, इसी साइज का, रिमेम्बर. ठीक है? अब यहाँ दो ट्राइंगल अटैच हो गए, ट्राइंगल 1 एंड ट्राइंगल 2. ठीक है? एंड दिस ट्राइंगल हैज बिकम नाउ पैरेललोग्राम, लुकिंग लाइक पैरेललोग्राम. ठीक है? सो हाउ मेनी ट्राइंगल्स आर हियर नाउ? 2. सो एरिया विल आल्सो बी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, बिकॉज अगर आप पैरेललोग्राम का एरिया निकाल रहे हो, इसको पैरेललोग्राम के फॉर्म में देखो, दो ट्राइंगल मत देखो. अभी जस्ट सी दैट इट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. ठीक है? और इफ यू सी दिस इज अ पैरेललोग्राम, और अगर आपको इसका ये पूरा एरिया निकालना है, so you can see that we have two triangles now. ठीक है? So what you will do, that 2 into multiply by area of triangle. अभी हम area of parallelogram की बात कर रहे हैं ना, this figure. So now what we have two triangles into it. So अगर हम दोनों triangle को या तो add कर दें तो भी आंसर आ जाएगा, और बस first we will take out area of one triangle and we will multiply by 2, then also we will get the answer. ठीक है? So now see this. This 2 means this 2, into means into. What is the formula of area of triangle? 1/2 base into height. 2 cancel. Answer is base into height. That is why the formula for area of parallelogram is base into height only, not 1/2 base into height. Clear? क्योंकि पैरेललोग्राम दो एक जैसे ट्राइंगल से मिलकर बना होता है. That is why it is half of मिला के one full whole, that is base into height. Clear? Now write it down, this formula with the concept of this. ठीक है? इस तरीके से कॉन्सेप्ट का बना करके you write it down, and then we will have some formula questions related to it. Now look at here on the board. I have told you to find out the area of parallelogram. Remember, if you do any question of mensuration, the first line should be that the formula including that statement, area of parallelogram is equal to this. ठीक है? Now I have told you the base as 9/4 centimeter. Then I told you height as 40 centimeter. ठीक है? Now you are knowing the area formula is base into height. In place of b, I will write down 9/4. In place of height, I will write it down 40. 4 tens are 40 comes. 9 into 10 give you 90. You are taking out area, so it will become square centimeter. meter. Whose answers are right, please raise your hand. The question which I am telling you to do is, find the height of the parallelogram if the base is 20 centimeter. If the base is 20 centimeter, if the base is 20 centimeter and the area is 246 centimeters square. 246 centimeters square. The question which I gave you in that area was 246. You have to find out height. So height was missing. Base I told you it was 20. Okay, so I have placed the value. Now in place of height, let it be height only, and you will transfer it this side for finding out h. So it will give you 246 by 20. Okay. Now you are knowing both can be divisible by 2 directly. It will give you 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, and this will give you 10. Okay. So 123 by 10, you can simply convert in decimal, which will give you 12.3 centimeter is now height. ठीक है. Remember बेटा, क्वेश्चन में या तो बेस मिसिंग हो या हाइट मिसिंग हो, process will remain exactly same like this. Okay.